the bun part of it. I always love that part. Left him in that pot. And we all know the Dandara, Miss Duchess. This is our pot, our favorite pot that we're going to use to make the Tun Cornmeal. Yeah. Welcome to Caribbean Kitchen with Sienna. Today we're going to make Tun Cornmeal. So our ingredients are sweet pepper, garlic, thyme, onion, butter, scallion from my quarantine garden, and also we will be using celery, cornmeal, coconut milk, and some salt. That's all. All these are the ingredients we will be using. A lot of people call Tun Cornmeal dog food, but I am saying the dog's food is not the dog's food until it is in the dog's plate. If you agree with me, leave a comment down below. So now, just buckle yourself and get ready to make some Tun Cornmeal. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Quarter cup of cooking oil with 1 teaspoon of butter to Miss Duchess under medium flame, and it's going to preheat for 3 minutes before we're going to add the vegetables. Maybe I used too much grease. If so, you can make an adjustment to the amount of cooking oil that you are using. If you don't have a problem, you can just go ahead with the amount I used. Now we are sauteing all the vegetables, and the combination of the flavors from the vegetables and the butter will give the Tun Cornmeal a delicious taste. We're just going to put everything in and cover it for about 3 minutes, and then we're going to add the coconut milk. At this point, we're going to add the coconut milk. I will put the amount of ingredients that I'm using in the description box, so no need to worry. This is the time when you should be adding your salt. I am putting 1 teaspoonful of salt in the pot, but you can put the amount according to your taste. I am using a small portion of water to mix the cornmeal before putting it in the pot. Doing this, it will prevent lumps. It's about ½ cup of water, or you can judge from the consistency of my cornmeal the amount of water that was used. At this point, you are going to add your cornmeal. But before adding the cornmeal, you need to turn down your flame to low so that the cooking process is slow, and you will be able to combine the cornmeal in the coconut milk without getting any lumps. As soon as the cornmeal starts to boil, then you can put the heat back to medium flame and stir for a while, and then cover and allow to boil. Remember, you will check the cornmeal every 7 to 10 minutes to ensure that there are no lumps. You don't have to worry about the scallion that is cooking in the cornmeal because it can be easily taken out. For now, it is just adding more flavor to the Tun Cornmeal. The cooking time for the Tun Cornmeal is about 40 to 45 minutes under medium heat. Now I have to put the spoon in water to prevent the cornmeal from getting hard on the spoon. As you can see, the Tun Cornmeal is not too soft, and it is not too firm, therefore it will not be too heavy on the stomach. What I did was to continue to check it on a 10 minutes basis to ensure that everything was okay. As you can see, the bottom of the pot is being hardened with the cornmeal. That shows that it is being cooked. And at this time, I'm going to take out some of the seasoning, the scallion to be specific, but like for the sweet pepper, those can stay, but we're going to take out the scallion and the thyme. We have no need to worry about the flavor again because all the flavors are already infused in the cornmeal, so that's a good thing. I will be serving this Tun cornmeal with steamed fish. However, it can be eaten as is, or you can serve it with any protein of your choice. Chicken back, mackerel, sardine, chicken, anything. The Tun cornmeal is finished cooking, but it is a little bit too soft, so what I'm going to do is to allow it to get a little firmer than it is now, and then it will be ready to serve. Some people love it soft as it is now, while some people love it medium soft, and some love it really firm. But if you like it like this, feel free to go ahead and move it from the flame. Leave a comment in the comment box telling me how you like your Tun cornmeal, if you like it soft or you love it firm. I am spooning the Tun cornmeal in the dish for presentation purpose. I will be allowing it to set for about 5 minutes, and then I will put it on a plate with the fish. Now remember, this holds a lot of heat, so be careful how you are handling it. In my opinion, this is the nicest part of the Tun cornmeal. But guess what? If you share my views, leave a comment in the comment box. Look, Penny. I always love that pot. Left him in that pot. Thank you so much for watching Caribbean Kitchen with Siani. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and enjoy your Tun cornmeal.